I have a story time for you guys, and I'm so excited to share this. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Christaline, and on this channel, we are all about manifesting our dream lives. So if that sounds like something you're into, go ahead and subscribe to my page. I feel like, greater things happen in numbers. So with the more positive energy, we'll all be able to manifest our dream lives together. So subscribe. I tried the 55 by 5 method and it worked. Anyone who knows me knows that I am really big on the law of attraction. I truly believe that you can have your dream life as long as you are continually putting in the work. I have mentioned before that I have been super inconsistent, and that is why I'm not living out the life of my dreams right now. I have no one to blame but myself, but we are changing that. I am manifesting my dream life of becoming a full-time content creator. This right here is my manifestation journal. I'm literally going to be putting anything that I want to manifest in here. I'm going to be trying a bunch of different methods, and the first one I tried was the 55 by 5 method. So if you are unfamiliar with the 55 by 5 method, it is basically the idea that constant repetition will bring about opportunities and events that correspond with what you are trying to manifest. Therefore, you have to write down what you are trying to manifest 55 times for 5 consecutive days. And when you write it down, you have to write it down as if you already have it, and you also have to write the feeling that is going with it. So we'll get into what I manifested. So basically what I manifested was 500 followers on TikTok. I wrote down my first entry on August 31st of 2024, and I wrote down that I am beyond grateful to have 500 followers on TikTok. At the time, I had just reached 200 followers. I was nowhere near 300. I literally just reached 200, and it took me a very long time just to even get to 200 followers because I started my TikTok account in May. Well, restarted my TikTok account in May, and by August is when I hit 200. So I was like, I need to hit 500 and I need to hit it now. So I made that my manifestation. For 5 consecutive days, I wrote down what I wanted and I forgot about it. Then on September 22nd, I uploaded my first viral video, which I did not know was going to be so popular. It got an overwhelming amount of responses, comments, likes, views, and it really took me for a surprise. With the popularity of that video, I ended up gaining over 300 followers, which brought me to 500 followers on TikTok. And I didn't really think about it up until last night. I was like, I have 500 followers on TikTok. I have over 500 followers on TikTok. And I didn't even realize that because I let go of the thought of it. After I wrote down my manifestation, I let go of the thought of it, and then I just let nature take its course. I was being very consistent with my uploads, working towards getting those 500 followers, and my views were fluctuating a lot. Sometimes they were up, sometimes they were down. And then one day I posted a video on Mount Fuji, the restaurant, not the actual mountain in Japan. And that video went viral. And if you have not checked out that video, you definitely should. It is pinned to the top of my page on my TikTok. And my TikTok is at Christaline.pena. I will have it usually floating around the bottom over here somewhere. So that video went viral. It ended up getting over 600,000 views, got probably over 20,000 likes, I think over 10,000 shares and saves. So the video just went like massive. And then every day I was just waking up to 30 new followers, 40 new followers, 50 new followers. And it just took me by a whirlwind because last night I realized I reached my goal of 500 followers. And I didn't realize, I never even thought about it. And then I was like, wait, I wrote this down. This is what I wanted to manifest. And I got it. So this basically just goes to show that you can have what you want as long as you are willing to put in the work for it. You can't expect things to be handed to you, just like how I can't expect to become a full-time content creator if I'm not putting the work in towards becoming a content creator. I realized that finally. It took me 34 years, right? But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that it inspired you to manifest something that you really, really want. Start small if you have to. It doesn't have to be super big, but start somewhere as long as you start. Anyways, that's all I have for today's video. Don't forget to follow me on both my TikTok and my Instagram. I'm very, very active on TikTok, and I do post a lot of photos on Instagram, and I could use the support anywhere because I am going to be a full-time content creator. I'm so happy and grateful that I am going to be a full-time content creator. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are all about manifesting your dreams as well. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.